guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Juan and Jaden channel. Today, this is not going to be a shoe review. This is going to be a short and simple video on how to fix the pairing issue that a lot of people are having right now with the Nike Adapt phone app and the Nike Adapt BB shoe. So when I originally got this shoe, I got it as soon as it dropped on the Nike sneaker app, purchased it on there, came in the mail probably about 2 to 3 days later. I did not put the shoe on immediately. I didn't even open the box really. So after almost 2 weeks, opened the box, looked at the shoe. I looked at a couple of reviews online. A lot of people said they liked it because I didn't know, was I going to resell the shoe or was I going to keep the shoe? So anyway, I ended up keeping the shoe. So before I put the shoe on, I followed the directions. Tells you first download the Nike Adapt app. After you download the Nike Adapt app, make sure the shoes are turned on, which they were already turned on. The shoes came with a 50% charge. So I did not have to use the Nike charging pad here. I did not have to use this. Yeah, because they already had a 50% charge to the shoes. So paired the shoes to the app, no problem. Customized the fit with the shoe to my foot. That was a breeze. So I wore the shoes for a total of 3 times. No issues. The 4th time I went to put the shoe on, and for those of you know, since this is a self-lacing shoe, there are no laces. When you put the shoe on, it's supposed to automatically tighten around your foot. It didn't happen. I'm like, whoa, this is weird. So I pressed the buttons. Buttons worked just fine, but it still didn't do what it was supposed to do. So I opened the app. The shoes were not connected. Now I went into my Bluetooth settings. It showed that the shoes were paired, but they weren't paired through the app. So I went through the process of trying to repair the shoe to the app. In doing that, I kept getting the error that it seems like everyone has been getting, that I've been seeing a lot of complaints on as of late. Error that's kept coming up saying shoe already paired. So I clicked try again. Same error message came up. Click try it again. The same error message came up saying that the shoe was already paired. So I clicked on the get help, and what that does on the app, it gives you troubleshooting options. So the first option was to turn the shoe on and off, then try to repair. Turned the shoe on and off, did not repair to the app. I got the same exact error message. So I did a regular reset the shoe, tried to repair it, same error message again. I did a hard reset, same error message again. I tried this for 3 consecutive days and I was unsuccessful in getting the shoe to pair to the app. I got so frustrated, I was ready to box the shoe back up and ship it back to Nike. I looked on YouTube. No one seemed to have a solution to how to fix this problem on YouTube. So I went to Google. On Google, I could not find a solution. Just more complaints about the shoe and the app not pairing. And with people getting the same error message, shoe already paired. I did everything. I deleted the app from the phone, reset my phone, downloaded the app. I did everything. It did not work. So I went to Twitter. For those of you that don't know, if you go on Twitter and you complain about a business on Twitter and you tag them in it, that business will contact you almost immediately. So I went on Twitter. I complained about the issue and said I wanted a refund or an exchange. Nike contacted me probably in about 5 minutes telling me to take the conversation over to DM. Went over to DM, they told me to send them a screenshot of the error message that I was getting. So I sent Nike a screenshot of the error message that I was getting. At that time, they sent me detailed directions on how to fix the issue. The directions that they sent me are not in the app and they are not in the little instruction pamphlet that comes with the shoes. I don't know why these directions were not in there, but it was a simple fix. So this is how you fix the shoe. All right, go into your Bluetooth setting. This is going to be the same if you have an Android phone or an Apple. I have a Samsung. This is going to be the same thing. This is easy fix. This is what you do. Go into your Bluetooth settings. Unpair the shoes. For those of you, you may have the unpair option. Other phones may have the forget option. Do that. Unpair or click on forget. Okay. Go to the Nike Adapt app. Log out of that app. Close it. Go into your phone settings to where your apps are, to where your downloaded apps are, and your phone settings. Scroll down till you get to the Nike Adapt app. Open that setting. Once you open that setting, click Force Stop. Then close it out. After you do that, take the shoe. Now, I'm not going to press the buttons and actually do it, but I'm going to tell you how to do it. So, you start with the left shoe. So what you do, the direction I want to say the left button. So left button, if it's facing you, like this, it's going to be this button right here. This is going to be the right button. All right. What you do, you press and hold these together for 5 seconds. What's going to happen when you first press them? They may turn green or white. You still keep holding, then it's going to flash red. Keep holding. The shoe might vibrate when it flashes red. When the LED lights here go on a solid red, that means 5 seconds have elapsed, and you let go of the shoe. You let go of the buttons. Okay, that means the shoe is now off. Holding the left button, you hold the left button in for 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, the lights are going to come on. Once the lights come on, you still keep your finger on the left button. With the finger still on the left button, you take your other finger on the right button here. You press it 3 times. First time you press it, it's probably going to go blue. The second time, it's going to go, red. But the third time you press it, it will turn green. Once that happens, you let go. You take the right shoe. You do the same exact thing. Once you do that, now you open up the Nike Adapt app. Once you open the Nike Adapt app, it's going to prompt you to log in. Log into the app. Once you log into the app, it's going to take you through the steps to pair the shoe again. Go through the steps to pair the shoe again. Of course, it's going to tell you to pair the left shoe. That will work. You'll be able to pair the left shoe. Then it's going to tell you to go to the right shoe. Go to the right shoe. Then it's going to tell you to put the shoe on so it can customize to fit to your foot. That is how you fix the problem. I will go through what you press again because I had to read the directions several times and I messed up the first couple times I tried it. But this is how you do it. Say it again. You go. So I'm going to repeat myself just so none of you have to press pause or go backwards. So hopefully you have the shoe with you when you're doing this. Go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone. Unpair or click forget. Okay. Go into the app. Open the app. Log out of the app. Close it out. After you log out of it, close it. Go into your phone settings. Go into your phone settings. Click on the setting that's for your downloaded apps. Scroll down until you see the Nike Adapt app. Once you see the Nike Adapt app, click on that. Click on Force Stop. Then close it out. After you do that, take the shoe. Take take 2 fingers. Press the buttons in together. Within 5 seconds, the LED lights will go a solid red. They won't flash. What's going to happen when you first press them, they may be green or white. Then after 2 seconds, it's going to flash red like this and the shoe is going to vibrate. Keep holding on to it. Once the LED lights both light up with a solid red or they're not flashing, you let go. All right, after you let go, you take your finger, press the left button. Press and hold the left button. Within 2 seconds, the lights of the shoe will come on. You keep your finger on there on the left button. You take your other finger, you press that right button 3 times. 2, 3. When you do that, when you're holding this button down, the lights will turn green. Once they turn green, you let go. You repeat that step with the right shoe. After your shoe has now been totally reset. It will now pair with the app. You open the app, log in, and go through the steps to pair the shoe. It will work. If any of you have any issues and it's not working for you, email me or comment below on the app. Send your email address, and I will send you a screenshot of what Nike sent me, a detailed version of what they sent me. I still have no idea why these instructions are not in the app or in the little pamphlet that comes with the shoes. Because everything that's in the app, the troubleshooting steps in the app, do not work. And that's frustrating because this is not a cheap shoe. They don't work. All right. I hope this worked for everyone. I hope this solved everyone's issue. Um, Probably within a couple days, I will do a review on these shoes. I actually like these shoes. They're more comfortable than what I thought they were going to be. Um, but anyway, hope everyone has a good day or night or morning, depending wherever you're from, wherever you're at in the world watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.